Hey guys, we received this XL tear away microfiber cleaning cloth roll for test and try. 16 by 16 inches, 36 sheets, thick and large detailing towels. Ultra absorbent, lint free, and reusable wipes for all around cleaning. So here is the blue color. So nice roll. So let me just open this up. So this is a great roll with 36 sheets, and you can also tear this off. See, like there is a line where you can easily tear them like a paper towel and then use them. So nice. And this one is soft and cushion from both sides, like the microfiber and the soft. So uh, easily to handle with the tough messes. And for the thing is like the short pile and the high pile thing that you can easily use from both side. So I'm just like cleaning this car glasses, so you can see like how clean it make. So nice absorbent material without any issue, scratches and things. So good for the cleaning here as well. And then see like how it capture the dust. You can wash it again and reuse it with the water, and then nice overall. So it's nice microfiber cloth roll for multiple uses, and nice fabric or the microfiber